Well, welcome back to iKnows's channel, the first digital nose for healthcare. And joining to discuss, we have the privilege of Jack Liu, the Director of Corporate Development, to discuss the recent partnerships and kind of what's been going on recently. First and foremost, welcome, sir.
Good morning.
Yeah, pleasure to get you on. And obviously, I want to dive into this with the recently announced another partnership, now expanding AI Noses industrial ecosystem to six partners. How will this kind of tie together?
We've been extremely busy. So our latest new partners, this one is in the industrial edge AI space. So they're one of NVIDIA's ecosystem partner for the Jetson platforms. So you can think of their product as the brain inside the modern factories, controlling the AI and the automations, analyzing data from the sensors, which we are part of that, and monitoring the production systems. So now our AI nose ecosystem spans from chip manufacturing, robotics, automation, and now edge AI. So some of the partners are becoming our paying customers, and others will help us reach new markets. The key point is that we are expanding AI nose commercial footprints across more and more industrial sectors. So our next step is to integrate all these resources and move our existing projects forward. For example, so we recently received a 2.1 million order from our first semiconductor customers, which is the world's leading chip packaging testing company. So right now, our engineers are working very closely with our customers' team to deploy AI nodes across their facilities. And we believe this one, the use case potential is just massive. At the same time, another one of our team right now is heading to Japan, working on pilot programs with our first robot customers at one of their customer sites. For this particular project, we are also bringing in Topco, one of our partners, into that project because Topco has a very strong team within Japan. They're kind of like an extension of our sales force there. So net, it's really about execution now. We're trying to turn partnerships into scalable and commercial opportunities.
Yeah, absolutely. And truly incredible. Maybe give us an idea of what's going on moving forward here. Do you have any new projects you're working on? Anything investors should be paying attention to?
Absolutely. There are a lot. So one new opportunity is we are exploring is in the hospital operations. So we believe hospitals can use our AI nodes to monitor airborne viruses, check air qualities inside the wards and even operating rooms, or even detect leaks or bad air in bathrooms and pipe systems. These issues actually directly affect the health and safety of all stakeholders within the hospitals. So, say patients, doctors, nurses, staffs. So, by digitizing these scent signals into our smell IDs, hospitals can build what we call a scent map, giving their facilities a new sense of smell for smarter and safer operations and helping them to manage their hospitals better. So we're now in discussion with some of the leading hospitals in Taiwan. And again, Topco will integrate their resources to help support the deployment. So if everything goes well for this particular project, we should be kicking off pilot programs in Taiwan sometime early next year. And then beyond healthcare, we're also seeing very strong new leads from additional semiconductors and robotic developers. So there's a lot coming. Just stay tuned.
On that note, we'll pass it off to the viewer as always. We'd love to know what you think in that comment section and consider subscribing as news and catalysts come down the wire like this. Of course, we'll bring it to you here. But on that, as always, we look forward to catching you in the next one.